Hey everyone, this is Kenny. Today we're going to be taking a look at the Compass Trending tab. This tab is going to show you the most relevant or popular projects in any time period that you select. Starting from the left to the right, you'll be able to see the project's information such as the minting date, the token amount. You can also favorite any project that you want. If you do favorite any project, it's going to be added to the watch list tab as well. This will help you compile all the projects that you're interested in just one place. You will also have relevant information such as the OpenSea, LooksRare, Genie, Etherscan, links, and also the website if available. You will also have relevant information such as the floor price, which is going to indicate you the lowest entry price for any project. You can also sort the columns by using this arrow from the top to the bottom and also from the bottom to the top. All the way to the right, you will also be able to see the volume chart, which is going to show you the sales every 3 minutes. Lastly, you can check in each column the variations from the past hour. You can also customize your trending tab by selecting or pressing the gear button in the top right corner. Here you can toggle on or off any option that you want. Most people like to use the floor price all the way to the front, so that way they have a better visibility of what's their entry price for any project. At the bottom left corner, you will also have relevant information such as the gas price, gas presets, and the ETH price. And that's it for the trending tab. Thank you for watching.